Hello and welcome back to my
nitrosol.
channel. My name is Chioma.
Nitrosol.
Today we are going to be producing liquid soap or multi-purpose liquid soap.
Caustic soda.
So for this class we're going to produce 60 liters. That's
Caustic
a
soda.
lot. The chemicals we need are nitrosol 1/4
soda
kg, that's
ash.
1/4 kg. Caustic soda,
Soda
1/4
ash.
kg. Soda ash 1.5 kg. STPP
SLS.
kg. SLS
SLS.
1/2 kg. Texapon 1/4 kg.
Texapon.
Sulphonic acid 1
Texapon.
liter. Color 1 tablespoon.
STPP.
And perfume 30 ml.
STPP.
So these are the things that we need. This is the color, which is a tablespoon. This is the sulphonic acid. The SLS, that one that is like rice, just soak it in water and keep it by the side. It is not corrosive, but just soak it in water and keep it by one side. Then please don't forget to wear your PPE, your personal protective equipment, your hand glove, your nose masks, your everything you're supposed to wear, your coverall. Please do wear them. Then now we are going to measure 50 liters of water. Remember, we're making 60 liters. We are measuring 60 liters of water into a bowl. Then you pour the nitrosol. The quantity of the nitrosol is 1/4 kg. So you pour it inside and you stir. You pour it in the water and you stir it very well. You're going to stir a lot, so just be ready for stirring. After pouring the nitrosol, you're going to pour in, the second thing you're going to pour in is your caustic soda. Okay, you stir the nitrosol very well. Stir it very well till everything dissolves. You cannot see any seed inside, so you need to stir it very well. Then after that, you pour in the your caustic soda. Caustic soda, this is the caustic soda. This is 1/4 kg, also 1/4 kg, or 250 grams. It depends. But if you just go to where they sell it, all these measurements I'm giving you, it's easier. Buy it like this. You pour the caustic soda and you continue stirring. Remember that the chemical reaction is taking place. You stir it very well. Then the fourth thing you pour is the soda ash. We are using 1.5 kg. So each of them, there are 3 packs here. Each of them is 1/2 kg. So you pour them and you stir it in the water. Mix it to a consistency that you can pour. If it's too thick that you can't pour it, you pour water again and mix it. So mix it to a consistency that you can pour easily. When you have mixed it very well, you can now pour it into the big bowl. And we all know that soda ash makes the liquid soap to be thick, and it increases the volume. That's why we measured 50 liters, because by the time we put all these things, it is going to make it to be up to 60 liters. So we are pouring more water into the soda ash. We'll stir and pour it into the big bowl. So please don't mind these women around me. They are my neighbors. We've done it for many times, so everybody knows how to do it very well. But whatever we want to do, we do it together and we share it, or we do it and we sell, depends. But we like making our own liquid soap. We contribute money, do it together, and we share it among ourselves. Then those that want to go and sell will go and sell. Then you pour the soda ash. You're mixing it now. The next thing is that SLS that you soaked in water. You can now pour it inside. You have to mix it before you pour. Now, the one that is remaining in the bowl, you still have to pour water, mix it, and pour it inside the big bowl. So that's for the SLS. Then the next thing is the texapon. You see, you put it inside a plate. It is not corrosive. You see, you can touch it with your hand, but if you're scared, don't touch. Then you mix it properly. This is the texapon. You mix it properly with the sulphonic acid. If you try mixing it with water, it will be getting hard. She's just washing her hand, but it will be getting hard. You have to put texapon in it and mix it properly for it to mix. If you mix it with water, it will not mix. It will just start getting hard, as if you're putting cream or petroleum jelly in water. So you have to mix it very well with texapon, with sulphonic acid, sorry, and you pour it into the big bowl. And as you're pouring it will make the liquid soap to foam and to get thicker. So you mix. She's still pouring it. You mix it. She washed her hand, washed all the plates, and poured everything inside. The sulphonic acid, when you pour water into it, the thing used to get into the can. It is a bit hot, but with time it will cool down. So you mix the color with water and you pour it the consistency that you like. Don't put a color that you like. It's not good to make it to be very thick for the color to show very well, because the more color you add, the less thick the liquid soap gets. Then after pouring your color, you pour your perfume. I've actually poured my perfume before filming it, but the remaining one that was remaining, I poured it now. You pour your perfume, and the perfume we poured was just 30 ml of lemon fragrance. Voila! Your liquid soap is ready. Now you can go and sell or use. You can use it for your laundry. You can use it for washing plates. You can use it for bathing. There are some things you have to add to it, so you can use it to bathe. You can use it to do your car wash, to wash your car. If you just add your car wax to it, you can package it now and sell. So this is how we package it in cans and put it inside our kitchens or our houses, or we can sell it to people and make money and make profit. So now you can see that it's very easy for you to make liquid soap. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you very much, and do have a nice day. Bye.